Hello, let's learn past tense of some common verbs. This is part 2 of the past tense series. This video, let's learn 8 more verbs with their past tense form. The first one is karanawa. Karana, do or doing. The past tense is kara. Kara, did. But actually, there are 3 ways to say karana in the past tense. Kara, kala, keruwa. And all these 3 are interchangeable. Mama ada godak deval karanawa. I do a lot of things today. Mama ada godak deval karanawa. Mama iye godak deval kara. I did a lot of things yesterday. Mama iye godak deval kara. Mama iye godak deval kara. Terenawa, understanding. Terenawa. Teruna, understood or got it. Teruna. Mata me padama terenawa. I can understand this lesson. Mata me padama terenawa. Mata me padama terenawa. Mata e padama teruna. I understood that lesson. I got the lesson. Mata e padama teruna. Mata e padama teruna. Kiyanawa. Say or telling. Kiyanawa. Kiwa. Said or told. Kiwa. Ea kama kanna bෑ kiyanawa. She says she can't eat. Ea kama kanna bෑ kiyanawa. Ea kama kanna bෑ kiyanawa. Ea kiwa ada enawa kiyala. She said she's coming today. Ea kiwa ada enawa kiyala. Ea kiwa ada enawa kiyala. Kiyawanawa. Reading. Kiyawanawa. The past tense is kiyewa. Read. Kiyewa. Mage nangi hamadama pot kiyawanawa. Mage nangi hamadama pot kiyawanawa. My younger sister reads books every day. Mage nangi hamadama pot kiyawanawa. Ea kiyamase godak pot kiyewa. Ea kiyamase godak pot kiyewa. She read a lot of books last month. Ea kiyamase godak pot kiyewa. Tienawa. Tienawa or tianawa is the translation for has or have, but you can only use this with inanimate words. That means non-living things. You can learn more about this on my website, lingocrown.com. The website is still not launched, but once it's launched, you will be able to access a lot more resources and explanations. The past tense of this word is tibuna. Tibuna means had, but you can only use this with inanimate words. Mata car ekak tiyenawa. I have a car. Mata car ekak tiyenawa. Mata car ekak tiyenawa. Mata bike ekak tibuna. I had a bike. Mata bike ekak tibuna. Mata bike ekak tibuna. And the next word is Inava. Inava is also translated as has or have, but this word can be used only with animate words. That means only with living things. The past tense of this word is hitiya. Hitiya, had in the living being form. Oyata pusek innavada. Do you have a cat? Oyata pusek innavada. Oyata pusek innavada. Mata balik hitia. I had a dog. Mata balik hitia. Mata balik hitia. Lianava is writing. Lianava. And the past tense is liwa, wrote. Liwa. Mata Singala akuru lianna one. I want to write Sinhala letters. Mata Sinhala akuru lianna one. Lianna is a different form of lianava. You can learn more about verb forms from my website, and the link will be in the description box once it's launched. The next word is whenever. Whenever means happening. Whenever. Una is happened. Una. Monada venne. What is happening? Monada venne. Iye monada une. What happened yesterday? Iye monada une. Okay, it's the quiz time. Let's see how much you remember. If you're ready, let's start. Say the correct answer. How do you say said in Sinhala? Yes, it's kiwa. Kiwa, said. How do you say did in Sinhala? Yes, we have three words, kara, kala, or keruwa. How do you say wrote in Sinhala? Yes, that's liwa. Liwa, wrote. Wait. How do you say had in the animate form? That is the living being form. The word is hitia. That is the past tense of Inava. And how do you say had in the inanimate form? That is the non-living being form. Yes, that's tibuna. Tibuna. Had. How do you say happened in Sinhala? Yes, it's una. Happened. How do you say read? Kiewa. Yes, it's kiewa. And how do you say understood in Sinhala? Yes, that's teruna. Teruna, understood or got it. How many answers did you get correct? Comment below. Study this again so you don't have to study all the confusing rules for these common past tense forms. Let's learn more past tense in the next video. 이lang video again. Bye bye.